Welcome to Siksha Maths Academy. Today we will discuss Math 1B straight lines. This is a very important chapter. మనకి more weightage ఉన్న chapter అన్నమాట. Okay. See here, find the circumcenter of the triangle whose sides are. ఇక్కడ మనకి 3 lines ఇచ్చాడు. Okay. It's very important. ఇందులో వచ్చేసి మనకి circumcenter ఇంకా orthocenter ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అయినా రావచ్చు. ఈ 2 టాపిక్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. Okay. So you have to more concentrate on this. So first of all నా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ విజిట్ అయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే ఓకే సీ ద క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ద సర్కమ్సెంటర్. సీ ద ప్రాసెస్, ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. సీ హియర్, ఫస్ట్ కన్సిడర్ దిస్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, దిస్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ థర్డ్ లైన్. ఓకే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనకి పాయింట్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ 1 and 2. ఓకే సొల్యూషన్, solving 1 and 2 point of intersection, will get a point. Okay, see here, solve ఎలా చేయాలి ఒకసారి చూడండి. point of intersection, first one 3x minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. okay, first y coefficient తీసుకుంటాను. see here, first y coefficient, again constant minus 5, again x coefficient 3, again you have to take y coefficient minus 1. okay, first y coefficient is minus 1 and constant minus 5 and x coefficient is 3. again you have to take y coefficient minus 1. okay, next see the second line. here also y coefficient is 2 and constant is 4 and x coefficient is 1 and again y coefficient is 2. okay, now solving x y, x1 y1 అనుకుందాం, x1 y1 and this is 1. okay, so x1 by, see here, minus 1 into minus 4, minus into minus plus, so 4, in between minus is there, so minus of minus 5 into minus 2, malila multiplication, so 2 into minus 5, in between minus is there, so minus into minus plus, so 5 2s are 10. okay, so ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది మనకి plus 10. okay, next that is equal to y1 by, see here also 5 1s are minus 5 into 1, so minus 5, next 4 into 3, minus 4 into 3, minus into minus plus 12, that is equal to 1 by, again 3 2s are 6, 1 into minus 1, so plus 1. okay, so minus into minus plus అయిపోతుంది. so x1 by 14 and y1 by 7 and 1 by 7. okay, so x1 is equal to 14 by 7 and y1 is equal to 7 by 7. so 2 1s are 7 1s are 7 2s are 7 7 gets cancelled. so x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 1. consider this is a point, so we'll get a point is 2 comma 1. again solving 2 and 3, we get b point. okay, again solving 1 and 3, we get c point. okay, again you can solving 2 and 3, same process, solving 2 and 3 again. see here, second line, first I am taking y coefficient is 2 and constant is 4 and x coefficient is 1, again y coefficient is 2. okay, next third line 2 and 3 అన్నాం కదా, so 3 1 5 3, again same process. see here, this is, consider this is x2 and this is y2 and this is 1, so x2 by 2 into minus 1, sorry 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2, here 4 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, so plus 12, that is equal to y2 by 4 5s are minus 20, 1 into 1 1, that is equal to 1 by 1 into 3 3, minus okay 5 2s are 10. x2 by 3 5, okay 3 1 5, again 3. okay, that is equal to 14 and y2 by 21 that is equal to minus 7. 3 minus 10 kada, so minus 7. So x2 is equal to here x2 is equal to 14 by minus 7 and y2 is equal to 21 by minus 7. That is equal to 7 1s are 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 3s are. So x2 is equal to minus 2 and y2 is equal to minus 3. Here you will get B point. B point is minus 2 comma minus 3. Again you can solve the 1 and 3, you get the C point. So first one ki line system చూడండి process line system మనకి first ఏం చేయాలంటే solving 1 and 2 you'll get A point. Okay, again solving 2 and 3 you'll get B point. Again you can solve 1 and 3 you get C point similarly. Okay, next now I'm taking these 3 points A, B, C. Okay, now I'm take the condition circumcenter కాబట్టి మనకి కండిషన్ వచ్చేసి SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Okay, next process చూద్దాం. Okay, see the continuation. Now we'll get A point is 2 comma 1 and B point is minus 2 comma 3 and C point is 1 comma minus 2. Next I am taking let x comma y be the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Okay, so see here, see the condition circumcenter. Let we know that SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Okay, this is the condition. This is very very important. Okay, you have to take this condition. This is very very important. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Okay, so first I am taking SA is equal to SB. Okay, so SA is equal to SB, squaring on both sides. So SA square is equal to SB square. Okay, SA square means distance between A and B. Sorry, distance between S and A. Okay, see here S point is x comma y and A point is 2 comma 1. Okay, so now I am finding the distance between S and A. So square, what is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now using that formula you can find the distance between S and A. Okay, see here S inka A ki distance find out chedam. Yes, this is this and this. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to, again now can find the distance between S and B. Okay, see here S and B. So x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Okay, లోకస్ లో చేస్తాం కదా సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. దాన్ని ఆల్రెడీ నేను లోకస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, చూడండి ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఆ వీడియోస్ కూడా చూడండి. ఓకే, see here x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. In LHS distance between S and A, in RHS distance between S and B. Okay, so మనకు ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి రూట్ రాయలేదు, వితౌట్ రూట్ ఐ యామ్ రైట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ see the expansion. X minus 2 whole square is in the form of A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB and A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to, here also x square plus 4 plus 4x is in the form of again A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, next same symbols ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ అంటే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆదర్ మనకి సేమ్ సింబల్స్ ఉన్నట్టు మనకి క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, చూడండి ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉండాలి కంపల్సరీ. ఓకే, ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ఇవన్నీ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయో చూడండి, ప్లస్ 4 ప్లస్ 4. ఓకే, ఇంకా అంతే. సి హియర్ మైనస్ 4x ప్లస్ 1 minus 2y is equal to this side 4x plus 9 minus 6y. Okay, these terms send that side. 4x, first I am writing RHS 4x plus 9 minus 6y. 4x plus 9 minus 6y. These all LHS terms send that side. Okay, minus 4x send that side, plus 4x plus 4x plus 1 minus 1, change the symbols, minus 2y, so plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, see here x coefficients 4x and 4x, so 4 plus 4 8x and minus 6y plus 2y, so minus 4y. See the constants 9 minus 1 and plus 8 is equal to 0. Are 4 multiples now, so 4 is taken as common and easy for simplification. Okay, కామన్ తీసుకోకపోయినా ఏం కాదు, బట్ మనకి సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఈజీగా ఉండడం కోసం కామన్ తీసుకుంటే సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి కామన్ తీసేసుకుందాం. సో 4 ఈజ్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ కామన్, 2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. All one by 3 తీసుకున్నాం కదా, కన్సిడర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ fourth equation. Okay, so SA is equal to SB condition, SA square is equal to SB square తీసుకుంటే you will get this one. Similarly, SB is equal to SC. Next I am taking these two terms. SB is equal to SC. Okay.
Start.
Okay. See the continuation. SB is equal to SC. So distance between here also squaring on both sides. SB square is equal to SC square. We solve this, you will get fifth line. Okay. 3x minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now solving 4 and 5. 4 and 5 solve this system, okay, you'll get the last point, the circumcenter. See here, this is fourth and this is the fifth line. Okay, solving minus 4 plus 10, 6 minus 8 minus 10 plus 3. Now choose another solving, same process. Okay, so x by 6 and y by minus 2 and 1 by minus 7. So finally you get x is equal to 6 by minus 6 by 7 and y is equal to minus 2 by minus 7. So minus minus gets cancelled. So finally you get the answer, circumcenter minus 6 by 7 comma 2 by 7. Okay, see the process now. First what you have to take, first you have to find the point of intersection of 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 1. Okay, you get the 3 points, A point and B point and C point. Okay, after that you have to take the condition SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. So first I am taking these two terms, SC is equal to SB, SB is equal to SC, SC is equal to SB, you will get the fourth line, SB is equal to SC, you get the fifth line. Okay, solving these two lines you'll get the answer. Okay, circumcenter, it's very very important, you have to more concentrate on this method. Compulsory manaki exam ki aithe vastundi method. Circumcenter inka orthocenter, ee two methods ba concentrate cheyandi. Okay, thanks for watching.